happened?
They throw me for school fees and my friend Chinedu and Chino also said that you paid their school fees. Now you've not paid my school fees.
Yes, now. You have to practice self-denial and take other people's responsibility first rather than taking your own.
Anyway, what do I know? What can I do? There's nothing I can do.
Where did this boy go since morning now? This is for something now. He has not yet come back.
Where are you going, sir?
Where are you coming from?
I went to my friend's house.
What did you do there since morning?
Help them do their house chores. We said that sometimes you have to practice self-denial and self-sacrifice in order to do other people's responsibility rather than do your own.
Will you keep
If I did not
quiet?
help in the house, I'm not doing the house chores. I just came to carry more.
Jesus is Lord.
Carry them up and I'm going to continue the house chores soon. I know you love this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. After subscribing, you see a notification bell. Please click on it for more updates of our video. And you can also share this video to various social medias like Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Thanks for watching our video. God bless.